Alright, today I finished my barbecue smoke drum, 55-gallon smoke drum. That's what they call UDS, ugly drum smoker. But this is cool, look at that. It says Sun Barbecue right there. Y'all hear? Yeah, you smell good. Ready to go. Yeah, see that? I close right there. That's my barbecue smoker right there, see? Woo-wee. See my car over here too? Yeah, that's my smoker right there too. Mini 300Z right here. That's Mini 300Z. You hear? Now let's get back to the smoker. I haven't cooked yet, but it looks good, right? Ooh, yeah. Oh, man. See that? All right. You see that? Good. You see that? Sun Barbecue right there. Missing a B, but it says Sun BQ right there. Yeah. All you do is just up and up. And rock and rolling, baby. See that? Oh, yeah. I just old Weber. Yeah. All done. Ready to barbecue. Ready to smoke. That's it. Takes me 2 weeks to complete this. I mean, you know. Look at that. Sun Barbecue. Look at that. 55-gallon Sun Barbecue.